What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing the Tim Stereo Systems CarPlay bypass unit for the 23.5 and 24 models. Now, this is what the unit looks when you receive it. And it has electronics inside here, so you got to be careful not to zip tie when you put it into the bike. And you guys can scan this here, take a screenshot and scan it for installation instructions as well. Yeah, I hit him up on Facebook, and he was very prompt and reliable, very easy to talk to, and process the payment, shipped it out to me. He also has a website, so I'll be posting all that on the description. For installation, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be removing the cowl and the seat to get underneath. Okay, so once we get underneath the seat, you see this plug right here, this connection. We're gonna take the little cover off, and this unit is gonna be connected into there. All right, so once you plug this in, you should hear it click, and you're gonna want to put this possibly right here on the side and zip tie around it. There you go. All right, so once this is zip tie, we're just gonna cut this off. And there you go. It's in here, really nice and clean. Now we're gonna go over to the bike. Now on the bike, we're gonna go to accessory, screen should turn on. Then we're gonna go over to device manager, click on it, connect. We're gonna look for it right here. Add new device, searching, Tim Stereo, and click on it. Repairing, and there you go. That's it. It's connected. So you guys got to make sure that your iPhone has your CarPlay on. So you got to go down to general and then CarPlay, and you got to have your HD, your motorcycle CarPlay on, and then this is what it would look like. So everything is on here. You even got your music, and everything's on here pretty much. This is sweet. Yeah, that's it. So check it out. You guys should hit up Tim and get yours if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Peace.